A gift opens the way and ushers the giver into the presence of the great. Proverbs chapter 18 verses 16.
Hello family, a very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Happy Sunday.
Let's make this delicious Ghanaian assorted meat lice soup. In most of the Ghanaian home, trust that each and every Sunday there is some soup and fufu going on. Today I am going to share one of the best way I enjoy my lice soup. And by the way, if you've been here for a long time and you've not been nailing your lice soup recipes, then fam, there is something wrong. I want you to just stay back, relax, and enjoy this recipe and elevate that lice soup game right away. It is so easy to make. So to begin with, today I decided to use two different types of proteins. I went with some beef and some chicken. I'm always loving the hot chicken, by the way. I have some vegetables. I will list each and every one below in the description box, and you will also find out while the video is ongoing. So in my pot, I'm going to add my protein, add my all-purpose natural spice blend, some salt, and I also add about 3 cubes of my natural spice blend. And yes, I have shared recipes on this. This make cooking very easy. It contains all the natural spices, the onions, the ginger, all your favorite natural spice. So please go ahead and watch it. I'm going to link it here and below. Okay, so I'll just give it about 5 minutes. I'll just allow it to cook on a medium heat, and I'll just make sure I'll stir it once again, making sure the bottom of the pot is not burning. Mind you, we do not add any water. We just want this meat and chicken to release their own juices. They have it in abundance, believe it. Okay, do not bother it with water right away. As you can see, lots of juices has been released. Amazing. So now I'm going in with about 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. If you do not have tomato paste, it's actually very amazing to also use tomato puree. Okay, here I just blended it with a bit of water, making sure that it's evenly distributed to all corners of my meat and chicken. I want it that way. Okay, if I have tomato puree, I definitely use that instead, but today we didn't have it. Okay, so tomato paste do the job as well. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and spread it on the chicken, and I will make sure I evenly distribute it very well. And as you can see, I did not add still water. Okay, we just mix the tomato paste with just water, and we're going to allow this to cook on its own for about 5 minutes. Bothering it with water right from the beginning really change the taste of your meat. I have come to realize this, so please follow the steps to get the best lice soup you've ever had. All right, so I'm going to cover it, as I said, for 5 minutes, and once it's done, I'll then go ahead and fill my pot with drinking water. I used about 1.5 liters of water, and I'm now going to add all my vegetables. By the way, you can decide to cook all your vegetables on the side as well. Here I use 3 tomatoes, 1 habanero pepper, about quarter size of green zucchini. I'll also add a medium size of red onions, a half thumb size of fresh ginger, and 2 medium size of carrots as well. I'm going to go ahead and allow this to boil for about 7 minutes or until all the vegetables are nice and soft. These vegetables are going to add lots of freshness to your soup, and it's also going to serve as thickener, and of course a lot more of flavor too. So I'm going to now, after 7 minutes, I'll go ahead and take all the vegetables out and blend them, and I'm going to add it right back to the soup. This is so easy. I absolutely love lice soup just because of how easy it is to put everything together, and I love the freshness of it. The aroma, oh my goodness, is just amazing. And loading your soup with all these amazing vegetables makes it extremely healthy and just so delicious. Listen, you do not want to make it any other way. Just try this recipe and you're going to love it. All right, of course you can also choose or opt to use any protein of choice. And now After adding all my vegetables, I'm going to allow the soup to cook on its own on a medium heat for about 7 minutes more, and we should be ready. You can decide to add more peppers for anyone who wants extra heat in their mouth. And just like that, before you could say Jack, your light soup should be ready. Just check the colors, just check how beautiful it is, and imagine the flavors that are just boiling up. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. This light soup was super, super delicious. And if you've been here for long and you've not been nailing your light soup recipes like this, I don't know what you're doing here. Honestly, I do not know. Please try this and you're going to absolutely love it. Of course, we had our fufu to go with this, and it was super, super amazing. And most of people think this light soup recipe is only for the diasporans. No, it's not. It's also for my people living in Ghana. You just have to try this way as well. Sometimes garden eggs can be extremely expensive. Just use this option and you're going to love it. It's going to make you glow, give you all the vitamins you need. Okay, so there you have it, family. We are almost getting close to the end since our fufu is also ready. Just have a look at that. There you have it. Our fufu is ready. Just look how pretty they are looking. I've shared once again a detailed video on how I make my fufu with no sweat at all, so please kindly check it out. Now our live soup is ready. This live soup was incredibly delicious. The combination of the beef and the chicken was such a game changer. So do not hold yourself back. Go ahead and try it. Okay, it's not going to kill anyone. It is absolutely delicious. So now all we have to do is just go ahead and serve ourselves the way we deserve. Okay, it's been a very hard week. Just make sure you enjoy yourself to the fullest. Okay, so yeah, there you have it. I am absolutely certain that you took something with you today. Enjoy the best live soup following this step-by-step recipe, and you're not going to regret it at all. If you did enjoy it, please, family, give me a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family. Do not enjoy this all by yourself. That is cheating, you know. Share with your family and your loved ones, and you're going to enjoy it as well. By the way, if this is your first time watching this, hello. My name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and as always, know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day.